We are on the hillock of Salzora, just above the crashes behind the Salzora Panchayat. And fire officials, you can see here how they are fighting by endangering their life. There are thorny bushes and all the vegetation is completely with the dust. They are almost middle of the hillock, putting off this fire. Fire is almost reached on the top of this hillock, and we want water. I am just going down, and Sarpanch was there, but I don't know. I asked them to send some volunteers from this local village of Salzora, and we are waiting for the forest also, because we require blower just to blow off the fire. Because of thorny bushes, we cannot go through the vegetation. Most of the hillock is got burned here, you can see, and the fire reached almost on the top. Fire officials from Margaon fire stations are here. They are just climbing, and there are thick thorny bushes here, and fire almost reached up on the tip of the hillock of the Salzora, and there is too much of dust everywhere from this crusher, and our fire brigade officials cannot breathe. It is very difficult to climb. आता सुवरा जायत आयिल्ल्या आमचे जे फायर पर्सनल वयर गेल्ले सालचोरा हिलोक चोडान चोड तेमी अंडर कंट्रोल हाडलो फायर आनी तो डोज करून ते देंवल्ले आहा आतां. सो आतां हिंगा मातशें स्टँड बाय रावन ते पळयतात आयकोडे रिजनरेट जाता जाल्यार दे गॉट टायर्ड. ऑलमोस्ट 6 o'clock नाव. The Margaon fire brigade station personnel, they went on the hillock of the Salzora and they already dosed the fire, but they say small pocket there are some flames, but they are just waiting here for the temperature to go down, and once it is night, like they'll observe if it is regenerate, then they are just waiting for the forest department if they are coming with a blower. But most of the hillock is got burned and they have just dosed the fire and they are just calmed down now. They'll just wait for few hours and they'll just observe.
आमका एक कॉल येयले साडजोरा हांगा अरावंड 3:30 सुमार हांगा साडजोरा दोंगरार उंच पेटला पूण त्या आमी इमिडिएट टर्न आवट केलो आनी गेल्या पयल्या आख्खो हिल दोंगराचेर सगळ्या उंच पेटला आसलो. आमी तो सादो ताळ्यांनी पालयलो आनी थोडो क्लियर केला. आनी थोडी झाडां आहा भितर काट्याची, त्या काट्या झाडांत भितर वचपा जायना. ते परत तितलो सोडलो पूण अजून पर्यंत तो चालूच आहा. पूण तो जितले क्लायमेट स्लो जातले तितले तो कमी जायत वतलो अशें दिसता म्हाका पयल्यार.
सर कितें वायल्ड लायफ कितें दिसल्या तुमकां जनावरां बी अशी कितें?
जनावरां बी दिसली पडली त्या वटेच्यान. कोंबडी आहा आनी कितें रानकोंबडी आहा,
सोंशे बी कितें
आहा. त्या जनावरां मातशे त्रास जाले त्या ह्याका उजल्यावर.
आनीक झाडां बी कसलीं आहा कितें काण्णां अशें
सगल्यो
कितें फळां बी आहा जंगली
चारां बी चुन्नां अशी
सगळीं जळोन गेल्या?
सगळी जळोन गेला.
ओके. आनी इजिली वचोंक मेळटा काय चड कांटे बी अशें?
हायट चड आहा दोंगरार चडपाक आनी सारकी वचपाक वाट सारकी आमी वाट काडीत फुडें गेले आनी थोडो क्लियर करून दिला उजो एक सायडीच्यान.
आनी कॉज कशें कितें अशें आसतलें? गरमेचेर
कशें पेटलो तो?
गरमी आसतली,
गरमी हीट जे आसा चड आहा न्ही त्या खातीर तो चड पेटला.
ओके. तुमी खंयचे आतां स्टेशन तुमचें?
मडगांवच्यान येयला.
मडगांवच्यान येयला. सर तुमचें नांव?
म्हजें नांव आनंदू वेळीप.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.